If you're considering couples therapy, you want to know you're in the best hands possible. Here at Couples Counseling ATL, we are Atlanta's leading provider of expert, evidence-based couples therapy. Our mission is simple: to help you and your partner build a strong, lasting connection. Whether you're looking to strengthen your relationship, navigate challenges, or find a way back to each other. Every relationship has its ups and downs. Even the strongest couples face moments of disconnection, conflicts, and periods of emotional distance. Perhaps you and your partner struggle with communication, or feel like roommates instead of romantic partners, or find yourself stuck in the same frustrating arguments over and over. Maybe trust has been broken, or you simply want to be proactive and build a strong foundation for the future. Wherever you are in your relationship journey, you don't have to figure it out alone. Our team of highly trained therapists is here to guide you with research-backed strategies that actually work so that you can stop feeling stuck and start feeling connected again. We specialize exclusively in couples therapy, meaning we're not generalists who see couples here and there. We are experts in relationships, and it's what we do every single day. Our therapists have extensive training in the world's most effective research-based approaches, including the Gottman method, which is the gold standard in couples therapy, developed for over 40 years of research. We also use emotion-focused therapy, or EFT, helping couples heal attachment wounds and rebuild emotional security, especially when there's a history of trauma. We also use the developmental model to support growth and deeper understanding at every stage of your relationship. We don't just help couples resolve conflicts. We help them truly understand each other, reconnect, and develop lasting tools for a fulfilling relationship. We work with couples in all stages of life. Whether you're dating or moving in together, when you want to strengthen your relationship before making big commitments, or you're engaged or newly married, getting premarital counseling and starting your marriage off right, or you're expecting or you're new parents, navigating those transitions to parenthood while keeping your bond strong, midlife and empty nesters, reconnecting and rediscovering your relationship as life changes. We also work on recovering from betrayal or trust issues. We help you to heal and rebuild trust after infidelity or breaches. We also work with high conflict or stuck couples, learning how to break toxic patterns and communicate in a way that's healthier, that works. We also work with couples who are on the brink of separation or divorce and need help deciding whether to rebuild or part ways in a healthy, respectful manner, using something called the discernment method of couples counseling. We offer convenient and accessible therapy options. We know that life is busy, which is why we offer multiple ways to get the support you need. We have 2 Atlanta locations, conveniently located in Buckhead and Ponce Highlands, and we also offer online therapy. You can get expert couples counseling from the comfort of your home. We have been the Southeast's premier provider of couples weekend intensives for years. Couples from anywhere in the world can fly to us for our transformative private intensives. We also have Atlanta International Airport close by, and these couples stay at an upscale hotel or a quaint B&B for a nice weekend away while they're having their private couples intensive, where you can deep dive into therapy and have an experience that creates lasting change in just a few days. You can get months worth of therapy in just a weekend. We believe that every couple is unique, and your therapy should reflect that. That's why we take a personalized, in-depth approach. We start with comprehensive assessments. We don't just start guessing. We use a well-researched 450-item Gottman Connect relationship questionnaire to deeply understand your relationship strengths, challenges, and growth areas. We meet with both of you individually and together to get to know your unique personal and relationship histories. This helps us get a really full and comprehensive picture. We teach practical, sustainable, and research-based skills. Therapy isn't just about talking. It's about learning real skills that you can use in everyday life to improve communication, connection, and intimacy. Finally, you walk away with a roadmap for sustainable success. You'll walk away also with a clear plan for how to build the relationship that you both want. We are the Southeast's only team of expert Gottman method couples therapists. That means our therapists have gone through extensive specialized training to help couples just like you, using research-based techniques that have been proven to work. We're also home to the only certified Gottman method couples workshops and couples intensives in the Atlanta area, offering you the highest level of expertise available. Are you ready to transform your relationship? The fact that you're here considering couples therapy means that you care deeply about your relationship. And that's the most important first step. Whether you're looking for guidance, healing, or simply a stronger bond, we are here to help. Please take the next step today. Contact us and schedule a free consultation and start creating the relationship you deserve. Let's work together and create a relationship that lasts.